Would anybody like a cat? Anybody? Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat? Please, feel free.
This is Todd. He ate his parents. This is Gustavo. He is usually okay, but every so often he just cries until he throws up. These are the twins, Free Willy and Free Brittany. That's Greg. He hates everyone. So if he likes you, you can have him for free. This is Let It Gopher. The lady who found him thought he was a gopher snowman, but he's actually a cat. This is Death by Chocolate Lab. He has 3 legs and 7 eyes. So he's either like cursed or really weird, but no one's died yet. So we're leaning toward weird. And this is Camila Caballo. She is a horse.
All right, Jimmy, I'm gonna get you this time. 1, 2, 3. Fuck you.
This is what happens to bad kitties. This is what happens when you don't pay attention to mommy and listen to her. Yeah.
Hi, baby. Hi, how are you? Oh my goodness.
Are you with me, lions? The choice is yours, son.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it.